Today I am going to use words of a great philosopher in the Kikuyu land. Etagwo Jose Gatutura, aka Jose Dav. Jose Dav. Together with Karibi. Yeah. Karibi. Maugira ciugo cia fata muno. Yeah, I have said fata. Gamiti ya kodora creature. I've never seen that. Makiuga ciugo ici. Watho wa Hiti na bakeda keda. Makiuga watho wa Hiti na bakeda. Arome. Those words you know them. But now the government has come with a new law. Watho wa namba 10. Wasemania na Hiti, don't run. First thing, miulie Hiti wathie ku. So you start a conversation with the hyena. Huh? Now the hyena, first thing, first. Nitogire furori ni ukorwo wi furori wa magegania muno. Ngami ni undu rathikiriria. Na uresemania na Hiti ya uri ukotare maitho. Ukiuragiriria kanitha kuri ori. Wona ni uri wendete kanitha. You come here. Creature, stupid. Listen. Nyina wa Njeri uthikiririo nawe haha na wandike. Ndona ni waguria ibuku. Diary 2024 resolution new year. Na kamwaji umeja mwina mugoto. Tondu uhoro ndungikimuteithia, you know fangi. Mugoto, you came the other day and you're not listening. Hiti wasemania nayo kamba ukamiuria. Wewe unaongeaga lugha gani tusikizane? No ru Hiti cigotugia ni Hiti iria ciara gigikamba. Tondu ngimenya kana ya mutumia kana ya muthuri. And Wajakoya in this case, Wajakoya seated very well na a prophesy ni gugoka Hiti. Akimwira wega ta wega mwenda gugatonga mwaka wa 2024. Thurai. 2 years later here we are. Struggling na hitira hituka ugu handu hatuciaririe na tucirenge tunyamu turia tugacikurira maitho because we don't know the language. We don't know the language. Yeah, definitely. We don't know the language. Hiti yoka. Ukaba ukamiuria fisi. Fisi. Wewe ni fisi ama ni fisireti? Fisireti ni cia mutumia in this case. Kimemia are you writing? Fisireti. Wasipora kuma sipora wakuora. Ndungiigua ndo. You are now confused. Fisireti na fisi. Kwaja wagwirere na tunyamu tu ukaririkana Wajakoya. You know that is a loss. It's a loss, a great loss. This country is a disaster ready to occur. Yeah. I've never seen that. Mundu mwana jethere mundu akifikifi anyinokie.